Welcome back to our channel. Today we will uncover a fundamental distinction in the pharmaceutical manufacturing world, the difference between an API plant and a formulation plant. Pharmaceutical manufacturing is a multi-step journey. It begins with creating potent drug substances and ends with producing the medicines that reach patients. Two specialized facilities are at the heart of this journey, the API plant and the formulation plant. What is an API plant? API stands for active pharmaceutical ingredient. The API plant is where these core ingredients are made. Think of API as a chemical compounds responsible for the therapeutic effects of a medicine. At an API plant, chemists and engineers use a series of chemical reactions, purification and drying process to create a pure high quality APS. The primary focus of an API plant is on chemical synthesis, quality control, ensuring that API meets stringent purity and potency standards. Now coming to the next is what is a formulation plant? So once APIs are ready, the next step is to transform them into finished dosage form like tablets, capsules or syrups. This crucial transformation happens at the formulation plant. So at a formulation plant, APIs are blended with excipients. So excipients are nothing but inactive substances to make the medicine safe, stable and effective for patient use. You all see the process like tablet compression, coating, filling, packaging, all designed to ensure the medicine quality, stability and ease of use. So coming to the key differences, let's quickly recap the key differences. API plant focus on synthesizing and purifying the active drug substances. Formulation plant converts APIs into finished consumables medicines by mixing them with the other ingredients and packing them in the final dosage form. Simply put, API plants make the water of a drug while formulation plant decide how it's delivered to patients. You understand? Next, why does this matter? Understanding the distinction helps in appreciating the complexity and precision behind every pill or bottle of medicine. It also explains why strict regulations and quality controls are essential at every stage. To sum up, API plants synthesize the chemical heart of medicines while formulation plants ensure these ingredients are safely and effectively delivered to the patients worldwide. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pharma insights. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.